Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a box in Rhino. To begin, locate the box command, typically found under the Solid menu or on the Solid Tools toolbar. First, click to set the initial corner of your box in the modeling view. Next, define the length and width of the box's base by dragging your mouse or entering specific numerical values. Finally, input the desired height to finalize your three-dimensional box. Achieving precise dimensions for your box is straightforward. After initiating the box command, you can type in exact numerical values for the length, width, and height directly into the command line. Furthermore, leverage Rhino's powerful object snaps to accurately align your box with existing geometry, ensuring perfect fit and placement. You can also select different creation methods, such as defining the box from a 2-point diagonal, or by specifying 3 points for its base. Rhino offers several advanced methods for creating boxes beyond the basic approach. You can choose options like corner to corner or center to define the base of your box, providing more flexibility. For specialized designs, create a box perpendicular to an existing curve or surface. The vertical option allows you to define the box's height directly from a base plane. Additionally, adjust the box's orientation by utilizing different construction planes. Once your box is created, Rhino provides numerous tools for modification. Simply select the box and activate the gumball manipulator for intuitive, direct editing of its position, rotation, and scale. You can scale the box uniformly to maintain proportions or non-uniformly along specific axes. For more intricate adjustments, explode the box into its individual surfaces. Furthermore, utilize Boolean operations to combine your box with other objects or subtract parts from it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.